we'd like across countries people to share technology around different forms of diverters. Another major problem is lead poisoning. Zurich swans, like many other water birds, eat grit to try and help with digestion, and the use of lead shot within shooting is a problem.
Tule nüüd siiapoole vasakule poole.
Ta vist tahab seda jahiasja mingi lausele lisaks öelda.
Ja.
You can, yeah. So some technical questions. How long is the whole journey and how big is your crew?
So we calculated the journey based on having to do what the swans do, which is fly between the main wetland sites, but also do a few detours to try and find other areas. So approximately 7,000 kilometres is what I will have done if I make it all the way to the UK. And throughout the whole flyway, wherever we land, people are offering